guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel Chic the Style. For this video I'm gonna style this white wide leg pant in too many different ways. I think I styled it in 8 or something ways. So yeah, let's get started. So for the first look I'm wearing this fancy shirt with these wide leg pants. So this shirt is basically fancier because it has pearl detailing, and pearl in itself looks very expensive, and yeah, that's the monochrome look for you. So I'm wearing these white color heels with that, and yeah, that's all about this look. And for the next outfit I'm wearing this color shirt with these wide leg pants, and yeah, that's all about it. I mean, with wide leg pants you can literally pair any color like this, little muted. I mean, I won't necessarily go for like brighter colors. I would like, if I'm going for pink, I will go for blush pink. If I'm going for blue, I will go for powdery blue or something. So basically what I'm trying to say is just go for the muted colors, more muted colors with wide leg pants. It will look more chic and classy. And yeah, rest of the outfit is same. I paired this white white purse with the outfit, and that's all about it. I mean, white purse is one of the staple you should buy. I mean, if you are thinking of buying a shoulder bag or a bag in general that will go with your most of the outfit, just go for the white bag, and yeah, it will look amazing and go with every outfit. So for the next outfit I'm wearing this t-shirt with this wide leg pants. So basically this t-shirt has funky graphic. I think it is Messi, the football play. I mean, I don't watch football, but it is kind of cool, and yeah, it has that neon detailing, and that's all about it. This is actually very oversized t-shirt. I tuck the sleeves of this t-shirt under my bra to make it like a muscle tee. I shared this hack on my Instagram, so go follow me on Instagram @ChicTheStyle for more such hacks. And for the next outfit I'm wearing this lavender t-shirt with these wide leg pants. Basically the lavender color looks very chic with the with wide leg pants. It is literally a trend to wear lavender these days. So yeah, just have lavender, something in lavender as a staple for your most of the outfits, and yeah, you will look fancier. I mean, I don't know, for some reason for me lavender color is little on the expensive side. I mean, I believe in not like you don't necessarily need to buy expensive clothes, but buy clothes wisely so that you look expensive in it. So that's the whole vibe for me. And yeah, I tucked the sleeves of this t-shirt as well. For the next outfit I'm wearing this scarf top like so with these wide leg pants. I mean, this scarf top is very out there and trendy, and yeah, all that good stuff. And thank God for this, that my scarf is kind of giving compliment to the wide leg pants. And yeah, this is one of my favorite outfits so far because it is both sexy, trendy, and all that good stuff. I mean, I know this wide leg pant is has little awkward fit on my body because it is not that high waisted, and so I'm looking little broader than usual because it is not fitting me on the right place of my waist. So yeah, for the next outfit I'm wearing this floral print. Actually, this is a floral print dress. I just tucked the whole dress inside this wide leg pants, and yeah, always tucked everything very cleanly. And yeah, you will never know that I'm wearing a dress underneath. So yeah, this is a one shoulder dress, and that's all about it. I mean, one shoulder is also kind of sexy and trendy. So if you're going for like something more trendy and like out there, just go for one shoulder or something. One shoulder tubes all look very sexy with, because it shows your collarbone, and your neck looks longer, so it gives illusion of longer body type. I mean, I don't know if longer body type is even a word. What I'm trying to say, right? That your neck will look longer. So yeah, for the next outfit I'm wearing this classic pastel with this wide leg pants. I mean, this pastel t-shirt or whatever you want to call it looks so well. I mean, it looks very vintage for me. And yeah, I mean, this is one of my recent purchase and I love it. I have wore this t-shirt with literally everything underneath my dress, underneath my wide leg pants, underneath my leather pants and whatnot. I mean, this color is very fancy. And for the last outfit, I'm wearing this is actually also a dress. So this is a wrap around dress. So for wrap around dress, I'm wrapping it like so to make, you know, square neck. And yeah, I mean, I don't know how to explain it in words. Just see what I'm doing. I'm just tucking the whole thing under my bra so that it gives illusion of square neck. Then you can pin it down to secure it. And yeah, so you can do this trick or hack, whatever you want to call it, to anything, like any, you know, wrap around top or dress or anything like so. And yeah, you have your square necks also. Again, it shows a collarbone and your neck look longer. And yeah, that's it for this video, guys. So follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, comment, bell button, सब कुछ कर देना यार. And see you next time. Bye. You be dancing on the